So you've started playing with Mover and you add in animations, but you're doing animations the old way of doing animations, the way that is tried and trusted and usable. So here's a montage, looks as it is. Problem is, we've got root motion enabled and we're slipping all over. Well, normal play montage node, just so that no one's going to come and be like, you don't know what you're doing, which I don't, by the way, but I know how to fix this. Enable root motion, all enabled, all fine. Inside the sandbox mover, there is a new play montage node for the mover actor. So if we change it over and put in our character movement component into in mover component, then we can say our root motion works. We can't move anymore. We're not sliding all over the place. So that is how to fix when you're upgrading your project and you're using play montage as ye old faithful node that you would use. Don't use that one for the mover. Use play montage, mover actor. So this is obvious when you know that it's obvious, but for anyone upgrading their project and wanting to use mover and wondering why their play montage and their root motion is broken, this is the fix, and this now doesn't work for play montages. I will update you as I learn more nuances and ridiculousness with mover.